Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the word vocabulary, spelled V-O-C-A-B-U-L-A-R-Y. We're also going to be taking a look at its meaning and usage as it pertains to modern society. Vocabulary is a noun. It is derived from the Latin word vocabularium, which means a list of words. Vocabulary saw its first usage in the mid-16th century. With that being said, let's take a look at some of the definitions and examples of usage of the word. Vocabulary can be defined as a list or collection of words or of words and phrases usually alphabetically arranged and explained or defined. It additionally can be defined as a sum or stock of words employed by a language, group, individual, or work, or in a field of knowledge. Lastly, the body of words used in a particular language. Given these definitions, let's put vocabulary to use in several examples to better help our understanding and application of the word. For example, the teacher posts the vocabulary for the week on the board every Monday. Scholars are known for employing a rich vocabulary. And lastly, a child's vocabulary can grow rapidly depending on the intensity of their education. Vocabulary also has a wide variety of synonyms, which include some of the following words: terms, terminology, lingo, dialect, and jargon. Identifying synonyms of a word can help to aid in the context and understanding of a certain word. Most, if not all, languages across the world delegate the use of vocabulary into formal or informal mediums. Whatever the case is for you, the method that you have used to thrive in your life amongst your family, friends, and peers, whether you're in a professional or personal setting, is one that you should continue to exercise, as only you know what's best for you. I hope after this video that you all have a better understanding of the word vocabulary and can confidently move forward in applying the term in your life. Moreover, I hope that you are all inspired to continue on with education of language and language meaning. One of the greatest gifts, which is often taken for granted, is the ability to learn through education. To be in a setting where you employ your words as an ambassador of your emotions and thoughts is a wonderful thing, and I can only hope each and every one of you have the opportunity to do so. As per usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.